Hi everyone, this is HP LaserJet Pro MFP M28w, and in this video I will show you how to connect this multifunctional printer for wireless printing and scanning from any device in your home or office Wi-Fi network. Subscribe to Signal Guru and let's go. First, let's get your printer ready to work. So you need to plug it into the power source and then power it on. Press the power button once, make sure that LED indicator is green, and also you need to make sure that the Wi-Fi indicator is blinking blue. If it's not blinking, just press it once so that it starts blinking. Like now, it means the printer is ready to connection. Also, pull the output tray towards yourself and unfold it. Make sure you have some paper in the paper tray, and let's continue on your smartphone. Open App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android device and install the application called HP Smart. Once installed, open the application, accept terms and conditions, and now tap on Set up a new printer. Now give this permission to the application to find devices on local networks, otherwise you will not be able to set up your printer, so allow. And since you have new printer, tap on New Printer. If your printer is not listed on this screen after some time, about 2 minutes, you can tap on Printer Not Listed and connect manually, but let's wait at least a couple of minutes. Now you're asking about how do you want to connect this printer. We want to connect by Wi-Fi, otherwise select Ethernet cable and connect your printer directly with your modem or router. But let's select Wi-Fi this time because we want wireless connection. Tap on Continue. Get printer ready to connect over Wi-Fi. Place the printer on a flat surface, then plug it in and power on. Already done. Connect your device to a Wi-Fi network. Already done. And on the next step, you will be asked to turn on location and Bluetooth on your device and allow access when prompted. So let's check if our Bluetooth is on and tap on Continue. Allow permissions. Once again, if the printer cannot be found, select Printer Not Listed, but let's wait for a couple of minutes. Well, I'm waiting for too long, so obviously the printer can't be found, so let me tap on Printer Not Listed. Because if your printer is found, you need just to tap on the printer's icon and it will be connected. But I need to connect manually. Allow HP Smart to use your location while using the app. Allow to send notifications. Okay, I can cancel that later if I don't need notifications. So now to get started, I need to connect to printer's Wi-Fi network. So let me make my way to Wi-Fi settings. You need to make yours. In Wi-Fi settings, you need to find network which name is started with HP setup. If you don't see this network, try to refresh your Wi-Fi list. Just disable Wi-Fi and enable it once again. So connect to the printer's network. If you see this message, I will show you how to solve this. You need to make sure your printer is powered on and the screen is on also. Now you need to press and hold the power button until the printer powers off. So first, warning icon starts blinking. Keep holding. Now the printer is powered off and powered on back again. Just press it once and wait until it stops making any sounds. Next, go back to your Wi-Fi settings, disable Wi-Fi network, enable it back again, find your printer, tap on I, tap on Join this network, and once connected, go back to HP Smart application. It's already detecting your printer. Now you need to enter your Wi-Fi network password to connect to the printer. This is not printer's Wi-Fi network password. This is your home or office Wi-Fi network. So enter the password, tap on Continue. Printer is found and prepared. Now it's getting the IP address. IP address received. Now you need to reconnect your smartphone to your home network. make sure you connect into the same network as your connected printer. Now I'm connected. Let's go back to the application. And now you see this notification, you are connected to a Wi-Fi network. Now tap on continue. Hit accept all here. Enable auto update. Hit apply. And let's print a test page. Just tap on print. Good job, the page is printed. Now you can send installation link to your other devices. Installation process is pretty the same on computers, so you can send link to your computers or skip sending link. Tap yes here, and now you are on the printer's application homepage. From here you can print photos and documents. Now you can print any documents from your device. Just tap on print documents. Browse for one. Let's say go to downloads, select the document, tap on print preview. Now swipe up to make your settings. Make sure the printer is selected in this drop down, because you can use different printers if you have a few. So set the paper size, set the number of copies, print quality, and tap on print. Good job! Of course, you can also print from any application that allows to print. Let's say you want to print an email. To do this, you need to open your email application, select any email you wish to print, tap on three dots at the top, tap on print all. Now adjust your settings. First of all, select your printer, this one, and set number of copies, paper size, orientation, media and quality, so media type, plain paper or auto select. Feed from. This printer has only one tray, so you don't need to set up anything there. And layout, you can print more than one page per sheet if you have multiple page document, so you can print 2, 4, 6, 9 or 16 pages on iPhone. So once you're done with your settings, just tap on print and your document will be printed. To scan a document, first you need to place it correctly in the scanning unit. So open the lid and place your document facing down and align the top left corner with this paper sheet icon. So align the document. Keep in mind that you have paper size markers here and here. So notice your document size and close the lid. Next, in the application, find printer scan option, tap on that. In this drop down you can adjust your scan, so you can set page size or set to entire scan area. You can set quality, best or normal. You can set color or grayscale scan. Tap on done. In this settings menu you can enable auto enhancements and auto orientation, so that if you put the document upside down it will turn it the right way automatically. So tap on done here. Now on this bar select what do you wish to scan, photo, document or batch. We are scanning document currently, so we're all set. Let's tap on scan. Now we've got the scanning result. What we can do now, we can adjust borders. Just drag the borders and corners to adjust your scan area, or you can tap on full or tap on auto, but auto isn't good enough this time, so tap on full, tap next. Now you can add multiple pages to this document. To add multiple pages, tap on add, then place the second page, place it correctly as I've shown you, and adjust your settings once again. Tap on scan. Now adjust borders once again, tap on next, and repeat it as many times as you need. So as you can see, now you have 2 pages in your document. And once you're done, tap on share/save icon at the bottom, select your file type, PDF or some image formats. Keep in mind that PDF only supports multiple pages. So let's go back. File size, you can use actual file size or compress the file. Go back. Also, you can rename your file. Hit return, and now let's see what's in settings. Save image as image, save document as JPEG. This is default document formats. So tap on continue and save to files. You can browse your file system, so go back, save to downloads or documents or elsewhere. Tap on save and your file is saved. Enjoying HP Smart, yes, good enough. Submit. Don't write a review. So now you can close the application or just go back to home screen, answer this question, start a new scan, go home or add images. So go home and continue to use your application. Also, you can connect your devices to this printer via Wi-Fi direct, but the funny thing is you can do it only after you connected the printer to your home network. So after the printer is connected, press and hold the copy icon, the copy button on the printer, but first make sure that the screen is on. To enable the screen, press the Wi-Fi button. Now press and hold the copy button until the power icon starts blinking. Now release the copy button and the printer will print some data for you. What you need here is the second sheet. So here you can find your printer's network name and password. Here it is, Wi-Fi direct setup. So default password is 1234567 and remember your printer's network name. Now on any device, whether it's iPhone, Android, Mac or Windows, make your way to Wi-Fi settings and connect you to your printer's network. This is what I need. Enter the password. Tap on join. Wait for connection, and now you can go to HP application, print, scan, and so on. But keep in mind that when you're connected to the printer directly, you can't browse the internet using Wi-Fi, but you still can use mobile data. And that's pretty it, guys. Now you know everything to start using this 3-in-1 machine with your Wi-Fi networks, and I hope this video was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye guys.